In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable autocall when a meeting starts. This setting makes Zoom ring you right when a scheduled meeting begins, so you're not hunting for links or missing start times. It's quick to set up and can save you from those last-minute scrambles. With your Zoom desktop app open, look toward the lower left corner and click the Settings icon. This opens the main Preferences panel where most of your everyday options live. If the interface looks a bit different on your device, don't worry. Zoom updates its layout from time to time, but the Settings icon is typically easy to spot from the home screen. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General tab. This is where Zoom keeps core behavior toggles that affect how the app responds to meetings and notifications. In the General section, locate the Auto Call option. This controls whether Zoom will proactively ring you the moment a scheduled meeting you're invited to actually starts, making it effortless to jump in with a single click. Now, turn on the option labeled Automatically Receive a Call when a scheduled meeting starts. When this is enabled, Zoom will place an in-app call to you at the scheduled start time of your meeting. You'll see the incoming call prompt. Just click to accept, and you'll be taken straight into the meeting without digging through your calendar or email. If you miss the ring, you can still join normally using the meeting link or your calendar tab. This feature simply adds a faster path. A few tips to make this work smoothly. AutoCall is designed for scheduled meetings, not instant meetings you start on the fly. It works best when your meeting is on your Zoom schedule, either because you created it or it was added to your account through calendar integration. For reliable alerts, allow Zoom notifications in your computer's system settings and double-check that Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't silencing calls during meeting times. If you're in a quiet environment, consider lowering your alert volume rather than disabling it so you don't miss the ring. If you don't see the autocall option on the General tab, update your Zoom app to the latest version and try again. Some organizations also manage settings centrally, so you may need to check with your admin if the toggle is unavailable. That's it. Open Settings, go to General, find AutoCall, and switch on Automatically Receive a Call when a scheduled meeting starts. Test it with a brief calendar event to confirm everything's working, and enjoy faster, more reliable meeting starts.